This is me and Shrikar's submission for our bookmark idea. So the original idea was to have a bookmark toolbar and a way to just distinguish favorite places from like bookmarked favorite places, so a special subgroup of them. The way we implemented this was with a option to add a custom favorite bookmark or a bookmarked favorite place instead of just a normal favorite place. And we also have a button on the main activity that you can click to display only bookmarks, or the other option would be display all favorite places and bookmarks. And yeah, finally there's a menu where you can hold click the top right button and it'll show you a list of all the current bookmarks, not just a list of all the favorite places, but only the bookmarks. So a couple of resources we used to accomplish this goal was the toggle button. I looked a lot into this, like implementing a toggle button. This was mainly used for adding a bookmarked favorite place and also for the main activity to switch between showing every favorite place and only bookmarked favorite places. Another resource we used was this alert dialog box where we list the amount of bookmarks and which bookmarks you have. So if you hold click this toggle button on the main activity, which Shrik can show off later, it'll show a list of all the bookmarks on the current page. And yeah, the last resource we used was about custom icons. So normally the favorite places have that same default marker, but I wanted there to be some way to distinguish them from normal favorite places. So the bookmark favorite places have a custom icon that Shrik will show off. And that was pretty difficult to figure out. That was my main challenge, I would think. Yeah, I would say that's our main challenge, because first off I looked through all our project files and tried to find where that marker file was, and I didn't find anything about it because it is implemented with the marker library that was just imported. So that's the default marker. And once I found that out, I went to the marker library. I looked through all the methods that we have here, so get icon is displayed, those kind of stuff. But more importantly, there's a set icon method which I used, and that lets me set a custom image for the icon. So in this example it would be like a bus, but in our example it's a marker with a star on it. And yeah, I just submitted the GitHub code about 20 minutes ago, so everything should be pushed in on the GitHub. And I'll hand it off to Shrik to do the demo.
Hi, my name is SHRIKAR2, and along with my partner Banks Nolan, we have created a MP3 project which adds bookmark places to the map. We wanted to make it sort of like Google Chrome, so where we can toggle that between all and saved in top right, like a bookmark button almost. So basically what that means is, along with adding a favorite place, if you click and hold, let's say my favorite place to eat right now is shawarma joint, so I'll write shawarma joint here. And if we undo that, we can add a normal favorite place onto the map, which will come up as a green thumbs. But if we hold it, there's an ability to toggle bookmarked options. So what that will mean, so let's say that's the Meki building. Don't know what that's named, but I'll just say Meki. I can bookmark that, toggle that between bookmarked and normal, and basically what that will do is add a star icon onto the map, so you know it is bookmarked. And another option we have is to toggle the view of the app. We can go between all and saved. We named it saved because we could not fit bookmark into the small button, but we can add a couple more. Let's say this is a parking lot. I'm trying to get this parking lot. Can put lot 42, something like that. Make that bookmarked, and it will come as a star icon. Another cool thing is if we hold the saved, we can see the bookmarked list places. So if there's a lot of places, potentially maybe 20 or 30, then you'll be able to see all your bookmark places in the list like that. And then